Now that zero property really comes in handy too, because whenever we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. 14 times 0 is 0. 834 times 0 is 0. Even 9,999,999 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. That can be very helpful when multiplying larger numbers. Let's take this one for example. 756 times 900. We have 7 hundreds, 5 tens, 6 ones, times 900, no tens, no ones. If we were to do the standard algorithm, we would be multiplying by the ones column first, ones column to the ones, ones to the tens, and ones to the hundreds, which would give us 0 across the board. We're done with this 0, so we'll X out the ones column and multiply by the tens column that's also 0 to the ones column, to the tens column, to the hundreds column. Anything times 0 is 0, so we could put on 3 more zeros. We're done with this 0. X out the tens column, X out the ones column. Now we're going to take our 100, on the 9 in the hundreds column, and go back to the ones column, then to the tens, then to the hundreds. So 900 times 6 would be 54. We put down the 4, the 5 would spill over. 9 times 5 is 45, 50. Put down the 0, carry the 5 again. 9 times 7 is 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. And I would need another column. Then we can add up our partial products. 0 and a 0. Here's our only numbers of 4. These are zeros, 8, and 6. Since anything times 0 is going to be 0, why don't we eliminate all those 0, 0, 0, x, 0, 0, 0, x, x, and hang our zeros off the end of the number, off the end of the problem. These will drop directly into anything times 0 is 0, so we have to show them. They just have to be in the right columns, the correct columns. And they will be, because it will work out to be the same answer as we got before. 9 times 6 is 54. Put down the 4, you're going to carry the 5. 9 times 5 is 45, and 5 more is 50. Carry the 5. 9 times 7 is 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. It was the exact same answer that we had before, but the problem was much easier because the 0 property allowed us to hang the zeros off, because anything times 0 is 0. So it was kind of a shortcut. We're just using the tools